You have already learnt how to multiply two-digit numbers. Let's quickly recall it. You can apply the distributive property by splitting one number as a sum of two numbers. Let's now learn how to multiply the three-digit numbers. Stella and Sam have been saving money in their piggy banks. They want to know how much money is there in their respective piggy banks. Can you help them? Stella saved 215 rands every week for 4 months. To find the total amount saved by her, we must multiply the amount saved each week by the total number of weeks. Do we know the total number of weeks? No, but we know that Stella saved every week for 4 months. So, we must find how many weeks there are in 4 months. 4 weeks make a month. Thus, 4 months will have 4 multiplied by 4, that is, 16 weeks. So, Stella saved 215 rands each week for 16 weeks. Thus, total amount saved will be equal to 215 multiplied by 16. Here, 215 and 16 are called the factors. Can you estimate the product of these two factors? To find the product, round 215 to the nearest hundred and multiply it by 16. The nearest hundred to 215 is 200. How many is 200 multiplied by 16? When multiplying a number by 100, you can multiply the digits first by ignoring the 2 zeros. That is, multiply 2 by 16. 2 times 16 is 32. Next, put the 2 zeros back. So, 200 multiplied by 16 is 3,200. This is the estimated product of 215 and 16. In other words, we can say that Stella has saved approximately 3,200 rands. A wavy equal to sign is used to indicate approximately equal to. Now, let's do the actual multiplication to verify our estimate. Step 1 is multiplying each digit of 215 by the units digit 6 of 16. Start by multiplying 5, the units digit of 215 by 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Next, multiply 1, the tens digit, by 6. The value of 1 is 10. So, we multiply 10 by 6. 6 times 10 is 60. Lastly, multiply 2, the hundreds digit, by 6. The value of 2 is 200. So, we multiply 200 by 6. 6 times 200 is 1,200. We have 3 products. Adding these, we get 1,290. This is the partial product we get after multiplying by the units digit. Let's move it to the main table. Step 2 is multiplying each digit of 215 by 1, the tens digit of 16. Since 1 is the tens digit, its value is 10. So, we multiply each digit of 215 by 10. Start by multiplying the units digit of 215, 5, by 10. 10 times 5 is 50. Next, multiply the tens digit of 215, 1, by 10. The value of 1 is 10. So we multiply 10 by 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Lastly, multiply the hundreds digit of 215, 2, by 10. The value of 2 is 200. So we multiply 200 by 10. 10 times 200 is 2000. We have three products. Adding these, we get 2150. This is the second partial product we get from multiplying by the tens. Move it to the main table. Add the two partial products. We get the final product 3440. Thus, the product of 215 and 16 or 215 multiplied by 16 is 3440. So, the total amount seller has saved is 3440 rands. Isn't it quite close to our estimate, which was a product of 3200? Sam saved 195 rands every week for 6 months. To find the total amount he has saved, we must multiply the amount saved each week by the total number of weeks. How many weeks are there in 6 months? Four weeks make a month, so there are 6 multiplied by 4 weeks in 6 months. Six times 4 is 24. So, Sam saved 195 rands each week for 24 weeks. Thus, total amount saved will be equal to 195 multiplied by 24. What is the product approximately equal to? Rounding 195 to the nearest hundred, that is 200, and multiplying by 24, we get the estimated product as 4800. Let's multiply to find the exact product. Step 1. Multiply each digit of 195 by 4. First, multiply 5 by 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Next, multiply 9 by 4. 9 is a tens digit. Its value is 90. So, multiply 90 by 4. 4 times 9 is 36. So, 4 times 90 is 360. Lastly, multiply 1 by 4. 1 is a hundreds digit. Its value is 100. 4 times 1 is 4. So, 4 times 100 is 400. Adding all three products, we get 780. Move this to the main table. Step 2. Multiply each digit of 195 by 2, the tens digit of 24. The value of 2 is 20. So we multiply each digit of 195 by 20. First multiply 5 by 20. 20 times 5 is 100. Next, multiply 9 by 20. 9 is a tens digit, so its value is 90. 20 times 90 is 2 times 9 is 18 and 2 zeros added at the end. That is 1800. Lastly, multiply 1 by 20. 1 is a hundreds digit. Its value is 100. 20 times 100 is 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 zeros added at the end. That is 2000. Adding these, we get 3900. Move it to the main table. Adding the two partial products, we get 4680. So, the total amount saved by Sam is 4680 rands, which is quite close to what we estimated. Time to practice.